cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World. Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute kite. Let's call her magical marker. I'm coming!
The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
Let's start coloring.
Beep, 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 beep,
Blue color.
all through the town. The wheels on the bus. People on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down all through the town. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la
Red color. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with next video. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel.